Good morning. The next topic is cube of two-digit numbers. So the first thing what we need to know here is we need to know cube of numbers till 9. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Similarly 9 cube is equal to 729. Let's go to the first problem. So case number 1. So numbers starting with 1. That means starting with 1 in a sense 15, 12, 13, 14, 19, 18, something like that. So let's go to the first problem. 12 cube. How to find 12 cube? So we need to put 4 space 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first thing what we need to write here is 1 and this particular 2 here. Then we need to find 2 square is equal to 4. 2 cube is equal to 8. And then we need to put one space here, one cross mark here and one cross mark here. We should not fill anything here and here. Then we need to multiply. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 and then we need to add. So 8 plus nothing is 8. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So write 2 and 1 carry. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And 1 plus nothing is equal to 1. Therefore 12 cube is equal to 1728. Let's go to the next problem. 15 cube. So put 4 space here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and this 5, 5. 5 square is equal to 25. 5 cube is equal to 125 and put one cross mark in the first space and fourth spot. Then 25 square is equal to 50, 5 square is equal to 10. Then we need to add these things. 5, put only one space, only one digit here, 5 and 12 carry. So 50 plus 25 is equal to 75, 75 plus 12 is equal to 87, only write 7 here and 8 carry. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. Put 3 and 2 carry. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, 15 cube is equal to 3375. Let's go to the case 2. Numbers ending with 1. So, numbers ending with 1 is nothing but 21 cube or 31 or 41, 51, 61, 71, anything. So, let's go to the first problem. 21 cube. So, we need to put 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 21 in the sense we should put this 1 in the last spot 1 and this 2 here 2. Then 2 square is equal to 4, 2 cube is equal to 8 and we should put a cross mark in the first space and last space. We should not write anything here. Then 2 square is equal to 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Then we need to add 1 plus nothing is equal to 1. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 and 1 in our mind. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore 21 cube is equal to 9261. Let's go to the next problem. 41 cube. So put 1 here, put 4 here. 4 square is equal to 16. 4 cube is equal to 64. Put one cross mark here and cross mark here. Here we should not fill anything. 4 square is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 16 into 2 is equal to 32. Now we need to add this and this. 1 plus nothing is 1. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 and 1 carry. 32 plus 16 is equal to 48. 48 plus 1 is equal to 49. 9. 4 carry. 64 plus 4 is equal to 68. So write 68. Therefore answer is 68921. Let's go to the case 3. Any other 2-digit numbers. Here we can solve anything. So example 24, 54, 64, anything, 33, anything. So 24 cube. Here what we need to do here is, first we should put 4 digits, 4 space, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here is nothing but 2 cube is equal to 8. So we should write 8 here. And in the fourth spot it's nothing but 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 64. And in this particular spot, this and this spots, what we need to do here is 2 square. 2 square is equal to 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So square of this particular number into this particular number, which is equal to 16. Similarly here, square of this particular number 4. 4 square is equal to 16. 16 into 2 is equal to 32. So 32. Then we should put a cross mark in the first and fourth spot. Then 32 into 2 is equal to 64. 16 into 2 is equal to 32. Then we need to add 4. 6 in our mind. 64 plus 32, which is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 here, and 6 plus 64, 74, 84, 94, 94 plus 2, 96, 96 plus 6 is equal to 102, so put 2 here, 10 in our mind, 32 plus 16 is equal to 48. 48 plus 10 is equal to 58. So 8, 5 in our mind. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So answer is 1, 3, 8, 2, 4. So there are three categories to find cubes of two-digit numbers. One is starting with 1, and second case is ending with 1, and third is any other numbers. Thank you.